Mascot Timka the Lynx, a friendly character wearing stylish glasses and a blue kerchief, immediately catches the eye and looks great in photos and videos. His large expressive eyes, soft plush fur and huggy shape make Timka a favorite with children and adults alike, and his image fits easily into any theme, from family celebrations to city events. Viewing area: the character's face and facial expressions remain as open as possible to guests, and the view is designed so that he can confidently navigate the flow of people and actively interact, greetings, hugs, dancing, posing. Suitable for dynamic work, lots of gestures, active hand movements, comfortable communication with the public. Where to use: photo zones, store and shopping center openings, promotional events, birthdays, children's parties, festivals. Timka is a character who quickly gathers a crowd around him, increases engagement, and helps the brand to be remembered.